Pmdg 737 tutorial number 15. This is a continuation of the tutorial number 14. In this video we will complete the after takeoff and the cruise check. After we have engaged the autopilot so the workload is released, let's complete the after takeoff check. Landing gear off, auto brake selector off, starter switch off, bleed duct pressure is normal, packs and isolation switch auto, engine bleed switch on, pressurization status and warning indicator lights extinguished, pressurization mode selector auto, cabin climb rate within acceptable limit, cabin altitude pointer alive, pressure differential within acceptable limit. At 10,000 feet we turn off the landing lights. Our transition altitude is 18,000 feet as it is predetermined during the CDU pre-flight, and you can check or revise that by selecting init ref key. You land at the active performance initialization first page where you can confirm or edit your transition altitude. As we get close to 18,000 feet we monitor the altitude. Now we have just crossed over 18,000 feet. We set the standard altimeter by pressing the STD selector. STD comes on. During the climb toward our cruising altitude, we check routinely the cabin altitude for the proper progress to our expected value by using its appropriate placard located in the overhead panel. We also need to monitor the autopilot system behavior by following the scanning pattern as follows. Check the mode selections on the MCP panel status. Confirm the engagement of these modes on the FMA and the AFDS annunciations. We check the target speed related to the current flight phase. In this example, we are in climb phase. By selecting the climb page on the CDU, the target speed is 322 as it's shown on the PFD. We check then N1 limit on the CDU, then we cross-check this value with the one on the thrust mode display value and its related box. As we cross over flight level 260, we check the speed target change from IS to Mach target. In our case, the speed change will be from 322 IS to 0.79 Mach. As we progress and getting closer to the top of climb as it's printed on our navigation display, we start monitoring our autoflight cruise altitude capture. The autoflight is now capturing the altitude target, VNAV path and FMC speed is engaged. Adjust the map display range for an overall view of our navigation progress. Locate the next waypoint for fuel cross check, then locate the top of descent point to be prepared for descent. Select the progress key. We will use this page for the fuel cross check. As we reach the next waypoint, we compare its associated predicted fuel remaining with the actual fuel quantity displayed on the upper display unit below the fuel quantity. We repeat routinely these procedures until arrival. Climb and cruise check is completed. In the next video we will prepare the descent and approach check. See you in the next video.